Thank you everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin still in this massive falling wedge. 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside. The question is, when will it happen? 14,000, or will we get a breakout sooner? Now, rewind real quick. If we go and we look at this pattern right here, the smaller pattern inside the larger pattern, I mean, technically you're building a bear flag, right? It's supposed to break lower, right? If you get some bullish divergence down here, let's say this does in fact break lower and you get your entry, your perfect entry down here at the lower trend line, and then Bitcoin breaks out to the upside. I mean, there's going to be some significant upside if Bitcoin breaks out of this pattern. I mean, you just look at the size and the time that Bitcoin's been in this range. I mean, you could see $26,000 Bitcoin. Again, can it break to the downside? It could. You know, there's a lot of serious problems happening in the economy. The Fed is continuing to raise the rates, but we are waiting for things to happen. Remember, you're going to have monthly close, quarterly close, candle close, a yearly candle close coming. So you're going to see a significant move over the next few days out of Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And you can see right now, Bitcoin is trying to work higher. You've got this falling wedge. So 68% chance it breaks to the upside. The question is, it's a small, tiny little falling wedge. So the measured move is here. If it breaks higher right here, it still puts you right below this red line where you've constantly been. Until you flip this level, it's really nothing to talk about as far as the bullish case goes, right? You keep getting rejected. So when the bulls flip that, hey, we'll talk bullishness when the bulls can break and hold this level. Bitcoin CME futures, again, same falling wedge. Now they did regain, the bulls did regain this key level, right? But again, you're below this. All the sellers are right up here. If you can't regain this level, you're just sideways, slow, downward sloping chop. Not amazing. Bitcoin CME futures is what stock traders use. Again, look for a move first of the year. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, his brother is in the group. He recommended his brother. He's up 1,000%. He's 10x his money since he's been in the VIP. Hanging. This person, he made $10,000 in 2 days. He joined the group, $10,000 in 2 days. This person, he was up 15x on his original coin. And then he made another trade, 250% gains. The profits are right here. You just have to be in the right coin. That's all there is to it. Gem, pick, banger, city. Now, what we're doing differently right now, the end of the year, beginning of the year special, I'm giving 60% off and $200 off for today, tomorrow, really and it's going to end on the 1st. Okay. And that's it. It's the lowest prices we've seen this year, period. Had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. If you want to renew, because we've had so many people coming back to the group. If you want to renew, it's $100 off the renewal, which is hundreds of people signing back up. So it's good to see, ready to get this crypto party started. Get this thing breaks lower, we short. Yeah, and I've got some short ideas, really good short ideas as potential shorts coming at the end of the video. So watch the video all the way to the end. This is a DXY. This is a dollar. So the dollar has been strong and then has pulled back. If this support does not hold, look for positive movement out of crypto and stocks. If this bounces, you're going to look for more crypto and stock wreckage, period. This is the altcoin total to market cap. And so what you've seen is 28% pullback, 13% bounce. Look, cup and handle, inverse cup and handle. This thing breaks lower, you're coming down, you're going to drop 13% on all the altcoins in the top 125. You're going to short them, and you're going to make 3x short them, and you make 3 times the money. This is a game where the elite conquer the sheep. If you're a sheep, you're probably not watching this channel. You're a wolf, you're watching this channel. You're here to take other people's money, and that's what this is about. It's not a team sports, it's player versus player. And the game is on. Ethereum, we talked about Ethereum rolling over. Talked to an admin tonight, has a short open, and you've seen multiple rejections here. This is key level here, and it's again rolling over to the downside. So unless Bitcoin does something amazing, Ethereum is rolling over, looking weak. This is ES1. This is stock market. Okay. After a bull trap, bad for upside ideas, and then a failed, you got a bearish retest, and now you're down here and you're forming a bearish pennant, which is supposed to break lower, potentially pull the entire market, crypto market, down with it. ES1, here you are. This is it. Watch. Link. I gave you guys a Link short idea. Link is slowly meandering its way down. Yeah, I mean, technically there's still a little bit of support in this area at about 536. I gave you guys Link as a potential short setup. I mean, you could say, hey, this thing breaks out higher. Obviously, you'd want to long it. But if Bitcoin does roll over, you want to short Link. Okay, so it's if then. Plan A, Bitcoin rolls over, you're shorting Link, and you're making 3x leverage short, and you're making 3 times your money on Link. TRX, you're waiting for this short to play out for an extended period of time. You've had crazy amount of, there's just been so much price movement inside this pattern forever. When this thing, look at the target. Look at the target. If this breaks to the downside, I mean, this is going extremely low. Off a miracle and break out to the upside, follow Bitcoin, then you'll get significant upside out of TRX. So again, plan A is short the downside break. All you have to do is draw a trend line, right click, go in here, right click, add alert on horizontal trend line. You tell it only once, horizontal line, you get an email. It says, hey, your alert just got set. You open your trade. It tells you what to do. It's simple. You get a breakout to the upside. You get this breakout to the upside. You set your trend line breakout right here. Add alert to trend line, crossing or only once, banging. Then you get an email. You get an email straight to your phone. Know what to do based on the alerts that are set right here. It's so simple. I don't understand how people make this so complicated. The new money comes in, you're taking all their money. Goodbye, sheep. We're here to take your money. BNB is another one. This is had a double top, hasn't broken to the downside. Believe me, CZ wants this thing to stay higher. If BNB breaks to the downside, forget about it. I mean, if BNB breaks out to the upside, you're going long. If it breaks to the downside, and all you do is you right click, add alert to trend line, only once, create, it'll email you. If it breaks to the downside, you basically be looking at this idea, and then you know to open your trade. And it's there you go. Trading 101. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Very often we're doing teaching sessions. Like last one was 2 hours long, teaching all the new people. We got to get everybody up to speed. Like this next, even if it's just some type of relief rally, you've got to make back the losses that you've had. That's all there is to it. And so we're doing a lot of things different. We've got crazy low prices on the join fees and renewal. If you want to renew and you renew early, it's even cheaper right now. Sure, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.